Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you are a Perplexity Pro user, you pay for advanced features including image generation, you type your prompt, hit enter, and instead of a beautiful AI generated image, you get an error message. Image generation is not supported in your region at the moment. It sounds totally familiar. So if this has happened to you, you are surely not alone. In January 26, users around the world from Europe to Asia to North America started reporting that image generation had totally stopped working. And here is the kicker. Even using a VPN to connect to the US didn't always fix it. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to explain exactly what's happening with Perplexity's image generation, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First, we want to understand the regional block. Since January 2026, Perplexity has restricted image generation in many regions. According to multiple news reports, let's say the error message reads this: image generation is not supported in your region at the moment, affect both the browser and app users. So this is not a fully bug since it appears to be an intentional restriction. Because Perplexity hasn't fully explained why, reports have come from different places including Europe, Asia, Canada, Australia, and even the US. So what we're gonna do at this point, we're gonna try a VPN. Let's say try a VPN through the US, through Europe. If it didn't work, and easily go through the support, let them know what's going on, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.